But then again, even if I will continue to keep this in my collection, I don't think I will continue admiring Wayne Wade, even if he's such a great player on the court, because he crossed one of the red lines that for me should not be crossed by. Hello, fellow NBA card collectors. Welcome to my channel. This is Elmer Pistola, vlogging from the Philippines. Tonight, we're going to talk about an NBA superstar whose name was dragged into the Jean Didicom scandal recently. Of course, I'm talking about Dwayne Wade. In this vlog, we will try to discuss whether we as NBA fans should be concerned with his personal life and how his involvement in the scandal affects the value of our investment in his cards. Before we discuss the issue for tonight, let us first quickly review Dwayne Wade's NBA career. Wade is a 13x NBA All-Star. He is also a three-time NBA champion, and he was the 2009 scoring champion. So Wade is a really legit superstar in the NBA, being a 13x NBA All-Star. This is the Dwayne Wade autograph card in my collection. This is just a sticker autograph card. If I remember correctly, I bought this for just around $80 4 years ago. Yeah, around that range. And later on, we will take a look at the prices of his autograph cards on eBay today. So we can compare if the scandal that is involved in has affected the prices of his cards or not. As you know by now, Shandy DeCombs was arrested around 2 weeks ago for racketeering and sex trafficking. So these are really very serious charges that can put him behind bars for the rest of his life. Uh, and one of the allegations against him is that he frequently conducts wild parties, which he calls freak ops, wherein people, even minors, are being victimized by those attending the party. And these parties invite and are participated in by many celebrities who are now, I'm sure, very nervous about what will happen to them. Uh, so one of these celebrities apparently is Dwayne Wade. Okay, so this is very unfortunate because this can really affect Wade's reputation in a really negative manner, especially since a certain celebrity accused him of hosting parties wherein young boys are abused. So that's a red line that any person should not cross, especially if you're a celebrity. So if this is proven to be true, I'm sure that Wade will also go to jail because of this. So let's look at a short video to see what I mean.
This time, Jaguar Wright has dropped a bomb, naming Gabrielle Union and Dwayne Wade as two of Diddy's supposed party partners. Now, we've all heard the rumors about Dwayne's infidelity and the allegations that he's on the down low with boyfriends on the side, but Jaguar just took things to another level. She claims that not only is Dwayne on the DL, but he was one of Diddy's secret boyfriends and frequently involved in these so-called freak-offs.
I'm saying that because of the artist that I just spoke to not that long ago that got invited to a party at their house. Everything was cool up front, so they went to the back and there was a bunch of old and young boys back there, all ass naked in the Wade house. So I find it funny that Gabrielle's sitting there talking about Boosie.
Now, what I would like to know is whether this scandal has affected the prices of Wade's autograph cards today. So I looked at the prices of his autograph cards, and this is what I found out. The cheapest Dwayne Wade autograph card that I can find on eBay today is $100. It is a Panini Optic card with a sticker autograph, as shown here. The most expensive Dwayne Wade autograph card that I can find on eBay today is priced at $50,000. So that's a lot of money. This is a special card because it's a one-of-one card. So there's only one of this card in the whole world. Only one was made. So this is that card. It also features a tricolor game used jersey patch. So this came off jersey used by Wade in one NBA game. So that's why this is special and expensive. But personally, I don't think it's worth 50K. But then again, millionaires, dollar millionaires in the US who are collecting one-on-one cards might buy this. They're the right buyer for this kind of card. To them, 50K is nothing if it will add to their collection. And looking at the eBay listings, I estimate that the median price of Dwayne Wade's autograph cards is at around $400. And so if you have a budget of $400 for a Dwayne Wade card, you'll already have a wide range of good choices. And I'm showing here an example of a Dwayne Wade autograph card listed at $400 on eBay today. It's a Panini Contender card and it's a good card. Okay, so based on these prices that I see, wherein the lowest price is $100, I can say that the scandal has not yet affected negatively the prices of Dwayne Wade's autograph cards. I think the prices of his autograph cards are at these levels before. I will continue keeping my Dwayne Wade cards in my collection. I have one autograph card of his and many common cards of his and a few game used jersey cards also Dwayne Wade. So I have quite a bit of investment in his cards. So I hope that my investment will not lose value because of the scandal. But then again, even if I will continue to keep this in my collection, I don't think I will continue admiring Dwayne Wade, even if he's such a great player on the court, because he crossed one of the red lines that for me should not be crossed by any human beings. And for me to turn a blind eye to something as glaring as that is, I don't think that's right. Okay, so Dwayne Wade is no longer on the list of my NBA idols, sad to say. But since it's part of NBA history, then I will not, of course, get rid of this in my collection, just to preserve NBA history in my collection. That's it. I hope you enjoyed my vlog tonight. Thank you again for watching. Have a pleasant evening.